Hi, good day everyone. We are going to move to the next phase now, which is numpy sorting arrays. So we are going to look at how to sort arrays. When I say sorting, we're talking about arrangement in orderly sequence. That is possibly like the sequence of from ascending, within the ascending order. When we say ascending, that means from least to the greatest. Or let's say you have 3 to 0 7. So you're going to sort it. You're going to start from 0, then 1. If there's 1, if there's 2, then the next. So that is sorting. So that's ascending order. Then you also have something like A B C D down. That is also sorting, A B C D. But if you have A D C B, so that's not sorted. So we want to learn how to arrange them properly so that it will move sequentially. That means in an orderly sequence. You understand? So that is what we are going to look at in this numpy class today. So now we are going to look at the sort. The sort is a method that's inbuilt. It's a method that's inbuilt into numpy. The first thing you understand that the first thing we do is to import our numpy. So sorry, numpy is small letter m, numpy as np. Okay, so we import this one now. Let me just delete that off. So after importing it, so I'm going to give an example here. For instance, I have a array 1. Let me just call it array 1. So array 1 has let me say numpy.array. So it's a numpy array. So I'm going to look at one dimension first. One dimension. So let me say 3 5 1 2 8. So want to sort it. In other words, want to make it in a way that it will be properly arranged. What will come first? If you pause the video and reason along, what will come first is going to be 1. 1 is the least. So then the next one is 2, the next one is 3, and the next one is what? Then make my screen big. Okay, so the next one will be what? 5, and then the next one will be 8. So that is how it's going to be arranged. But of course, if they have several elements within the array, it's very difficult. You can't do it manually. So numpy do it automatically for you. So let's look at it now. Now our variable, which is array 1, we're going to sort it. Now let me just print whatever it shows me here. So it's going to be np now. So sort, the word sort, the method sort comes with numpy. So I'll put my array 1 inside. So I've put my array inside, and then I print now and see what it gives me. So yeah, so it has sorted it now. So that is how to sort. So the next one I want to look at is for, we have looked at numbers, so we're going to look at that's the text values. Like, let me just create an array here now. I'm just say array 1, array 2. Let me call it array 2 now. So let me say np.array now. So I want to have an array like this, orange. Let me just say apple. You understand? So apple. Let me just say banana. Okay, banana. Okay, let me just say there's purple. So purple, sorry. Okay, then let me just say mango. So mango is another type of fruit. So we are going to look at that right now. Yeah, so that's what we're going to look at now. How do we go? It's the same method or the same process or procedures you're going to apply the way we did the previous one. So this is it now. So let me just print out. Let me print. So np.sort, then put in your array 2. Okay, so let me print it and see what it gives me now. So you can see the orderly arrangement alphabetically. So it's going to arrange it alphabetically. So that is how it's going to be arranged. Now that is for one dimensional array. So we're going to look at 2 dimensional arrays. So let me call it array 2D. Let me just call it array 2D. So this is array 2D now. np.array. Okay, so inside it there is 2 dimension, that's why. So I'm going to make this one, let me just 3 0 1 4. So that is this inside stuff here now. So you also have this now. Let me just say 1 6 2 0. Okay, we are going to look at how it behaves here. So how you going to do it is, let me just say print what. So print np.sort. Let's look at what's going to give us. Array 2D. Yeah, I want to print array 2D. Then when I print it, let's see what it gives me. So you can see now, the first one is that it sorted the first, the first rows of the two-dimensional array. It sorted the first row, then it went to the second row and sorted it. So that is a very fast way of sorting. So I think it's not difficult, or it's not complex. It's very straightforward. Just use the build method, which is sort, then you get it. So that is it. So thank you very much. So we look forward to seeing you next class.